Hello everyone, this is Ida from Retekess Official. Today I'm going to show you our TW105 Windows speaker system. And in this video I will show you how to use it. And as you can see, I have connected with the power cable, and this is 3.5 millimeters cable, and I will connect it. As you can see, there are also 4 jackets in the back of the main body. This is for the connect with your record equipment, so that you can get the conversation between the staff and customers. And this is for the connect with the outside speaker. And this is for the mic, and this is for the voice. For this one, we have the special tools for it. You can broadcast the sentence such as "Welcome to blah blah blah" or "Goodbye to blah blah." If you want to know more, please email us at support@retekess.com. Okay, I will show you how to use it. First, I will connect with the out speaker. And as you can see, there are the keys on the main body. This is for the on. If you want to use it, please make sure that it is in the on condition. Yeah. The light will be red. It means that it has been the working condition. If you want to talk to the customers, you need to press this key. As you can, this is O shut. It is mean outside, and this is I means inside. This is for the outside, and this is for the outside volume, and this is for the inside volume, and this is for the inside lamp. If you talk to someone, such as from the outside, from the customers to the staff, the light will be red, will be green. And if you talk from the inside, it means that the staff talk to the customers. This light will be red, will be green. And I will show you. I have pressed this outside. When I speak, the outside customers will hear me. And the kind of tip is that when you talk between the main body and out speaker, please make sure that the difference is long enough, or it will be noisy. Okay, I will show you. Hello everyone, test 1 2 3 1 2 3. And I can adjust the volume using this key. As you can see, when I talk, the light will be flash. It means that I have translated the sound to the outside. I will adjust the volume. This is for the down, and this is for the up. We talk, and please make sure that the difference between the outside and the main body is as far as below, or it will be noisy. And if I press the inside for this key, it is in the working condition. It means that the customers can talk now, and I can hear.
Hello.
This is for the adjust the volume. You can see that.
Hello.
When you talk, the light will be flash as well. Okay. If you don't want to the customer voice translate, you can press this key. It will be not work again. Okay, it is very easy to operate. Do you know how to use it now? If you still have other questions, just email us at support@retekess.com. We will be here waiting for a message, and we will do our best for you. Thanks for your time. Bye.